Craft room makeover. Well, move and makeover. This is the room I'm currently using. It's the smallest bedroom in the house. As you can see, the door doesn't open all the way because my table is there. But it's the best place for the table in this room. Jewelry making stuff here. I tried to expand some storage into the closet. I've got a lot of crap. Stuff. Paper. Other stuff. Paper. Stuff. Resin stuff. Those are my dies. And some mixed media stuff. Embossing folders. Punches. Over there's my stamp sets. And more dies. Various and sundry things to colorants, other colors and stuff. And I even have storage bins and binders under the desk. Well, the binder is my stencils. And there's my desk. So this is what I'm starting from. And hopefully I will be able to tame all this as I move.